on. Forward leads 2. We're almost at the town square. Choose your engine. I love that. Right leads 2. Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Where to now? Forward Raptor station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull? Good job. Which way do you want to go? Right leads. Next stop, Titmouse Sheds. What type of wagon should we pull? Where to now? Left leads 2. Cannonball Curve. Forward leads 2. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right, keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right, keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right, keep the train on the tracks. So let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right, keep the train on the tracks. Super! Excellent! That was super cool! Well done! Just laser tap the dolphin! Which way do you want to go? Right, next stop, Titmouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's perfect! Great! We're always happy to help. I love that! Where to now? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Nappers. Right leads to. Forward leads to the stone. Forward leads to steamworks are just ahead. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to. Left leads to the big bridge. Right, let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was off the rails! Lights out! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colors. That's perfect! That's so cool! Super! Thanks for helping out!